Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a video in PowerPoint. You teach the PowerPoint or explain your lectures, then you can upload to your YouTube or WhatsApp or send to your students to watch your video or slides with explanation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. First, from slideshow, here we have record slideshow. Record from current slide or record from beginning. For example, I record from current slide. Okay, here shows me we have a screen recorder. You can start recording. Here you have highlights. You can highlight. For example, I highlight here, as you see. Okay, just start record. Now, for example, I start explain frequency distribution table. We have frequency distribution table. For example, I mark it, sorting data or resonance for construction frequency distribution. We have large data sets. For example, you go to a next slide. Here we have an example. A survey was taken on a map avenue. You can explain it as you want. Okay, you can highlight it. For example, here, this color is not so contrast, so I select this one. Okay, we have this data. That is a solution procedure. Okay, that's a solution. You can explain, you can give the detail on slides, you can add more detail as you see here. That's the way to make a video in PowerPoint. For example, I just end my explanation, just pause or record. Pause, you can start record, but if you stop it, it is finished, ended, the video is ended. Now, okay, good, it is done. Now I can close it. If you send this PowerPoint to your students have explanation, they can play it. For example, okay, you see, that's a solution. Okay. Now if you save all the video, just, for example, I want to export the video, click recording, export to video, determine location. For example, I create a video, quality, selected 4K, okay, create a video, download, name it lecture 2 video, just save. Now, you see, creating video lecture, it's processed here. We just have to wait to finish creating video. It is done. Now, open folder, download. That's my video, just open it. Now, for example, I start explain frequency distribution table. We have frequency distribution table. For example, I mark it, sorting data or resonance for construction frequency distribution. We have large data sets. For example, you go to a next slide. Here we have an example. A survey was taken on a map avenue. Okay, that's the video. Now, if you want to send, you can easily send by WhatsApp or by Viber. Any application you want, you can send it. Here's something important. For example, I come back to slideshow. If you want to delete this explanation, click here, clear timing on current slide. Okay, then clear timing on all slides, clear narration on current slide, clear narration on all slides. Now we deleted everything. That's all. Have a nice time.